Namaskar, my dear loving children of Standard 5. We have already solved uh, the chapter fraction, and today we are going to learn about the addition of a fraction. Okay, and it is chapter 8, exercise addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. Understand? Exercise 26. We are going to solve today. So let me take an example. 5/7 plus 2/7. Okay. Here you observe one thing. These are like fraction. Actually, what are like fraction? Like fractions are fractions having same denominators. Here you see what is the denominator? 7, here 7. So for like fraction there is a process. 7 7. So here 7 will come. Then after this 2 will plus only. 5 plus 2 equal to 7/7. So if we cut 7/7 we will get 1. So our answer is 1 for like fraction. Understand? Another one, let me take question number 9. 1/10 plus 7/10 plus 3/10. So here you see these are like fractions. So what to do? 10 will come here, and thereafter all the numerators will plus. So 11/10. Okay, it is your answer. For like fraction, these are very easy. At first, the common denominators will come in downside. Then after, all the numerators will be added together. You have already learned in your previous class, that means in standard 4 very well. And then after, if we have another fraction like exercise 27, the question is telling add 2/5 and 3/10. So what to do? 2/5, then after plus 3/10. Okay, so here you see these are not like fraction. Okay, because they have different denominators. So what to do here? We have to find out the LCM. So what we have here, we have 5, here we have 10. So we have to find out the LCM. So how to find out the LCM? We can divide 5 and 10 by 5. So 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. So what will be the LCM? LCM equal to 5 into 1 into 2 equal to 10. 5 1 is 5, then 5 2 is 10. So what we have? 10. So 10 will be written here in downside. Then after we have to divide this one by this. Okay, 10 will be divided by this one. So if we divide, then what we will get? We will get 2. And here 2 we have already. So 2 will come here. Plus here same thing we will do. 10 divide 10. We will get 1. Into 3 we have. So what to do? I am just revising you because you have already learned 10. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3. So in downside we have 10, then we have 7. So it is your answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve. All the questions will be solved in this way. Let me solve another question. Here you see number 10. 1/2 plus 2/3 plus 3/4. So you see different here you will observe that 2, 3 and 4. That means these are not like fractions. So what to do here? 2, 3 and 4. We have to find out the LCM. So if we divide by 2, what we will get? 2 1 is 2. Here 3 we cannot divide. 2 2s are 4. So our LCM will be, because no more steps we can do. Okay. 2 1 into 1 into 3 into 2. So here you see 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So what we have? We have 12 as a LCM. So if we divide this one by this one, so 12 divide 6, what we will get? Oh, no, 12 divide 2, what we will get? We will get 6 into what we have in upside 1 plus, if we divide 12 by 3, then 4 into 2 we have already in upside, plus here will be 3, because if we divide, then what we will get? We will get 3 into 3 we have already. So you see in downside 12, here 6 plus 8 plus 9. So now what to do? We have to plus, understand? So 12 and here we have 23. So it is your answer. So in this way we have to solve. Another one, number 18. You have to practice a lot. Here you see 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Okay, so what to do? At first we have to find out the LCM. So what we have? 1, 3, 4 and 8. So which number can divide? For LCM we have to divide at least 2 numbers. Okay, so here you see 4 and 8 can be divided by 2. So here 1, here 3, here 2, here 4. Again we can divide by 2. 1, 3, 1 and 2. And no further steps will be there, because there is no number which can divide 3 and 2 at a time. So LCM will be what? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 1 into 2. So you see 2 2s are 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So what we have? We have 24 as a LCM. So if we divide 24 by 1, what we will get? We will get 24. Into 1 we have in upside, so 1 will be, if we divide this one by 3, what we will get? We will get 8 into, here we have 2, plus if we divide this one, what we will get? We will get 6, because 4 divided 12, 24 equal to 6. We have 3 in upside already. If we divide 24 by 8, then what we will get? 3 into 5 we have already. Okay. So 24 1 is 24 plus 8 2 is 16 plus 18 plus 15. 65 is 15. So now what to do? We have to add them together. So, and in downside 24 will be, so we have 24, 16, 18 and 15. 23 we have, so 3 will be here, 2 will be here, 2 to the 4, 2 2 4 5 6 7. So here we have 73. So in upside we have 73 and in downside we have 24. So it is your answer. So in this way you have to solve exercise 27. All the questions can be solved in this way. If we go to exercise 28, let me solve some questions for you from exercise 28. 20 is same, just we did in exercise 27. So here we have only mixed fraction. So if we take the first one, what we will have 4 and plus 3 and 1 by 5. So at first we have to convert them into what? Mixed fraction. No, mixed fraction is there. We have to convert them into improper fraction. So 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22. So 22 by 5 here we have, plus here 16, because 3 5s are 15, plus 1 equal to 16. So now you see we have same denominator. So here we will 5 and then after 22 plus 16 equal to what we have. For like fractions, not need to find out the LCM. So if we plus 38 by 5. So it is your answer. In this way you have to solve. Actually, after converting into improper fraction, the question can be written that we have in exercise 27. Understand? So let me solve another question for improper fraction. Which one should we do? Here you see number 2. If we write, no, not number 2, number 3. Let me solve. 6 plus 3 by 8. So at first we have to convert. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 4 plus here what we have, 8 we have in downside, and 3 8s are 24 plus 3 27. So here you see a different, that is why we have to find out the LCM. So by 2 we can 2 2s are 2 4s are, by 2 we can 2 1 is 2 2s are. So LCM will be what? 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. So here you see 2 2s are 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM we have 8. So if we divide 8 by 4, then we will get 2, and 25 we have already, plus if we divide, then we will get 1 into 27 we have. So here you see 8 we have in downside, and 25 2s are 50 plus 27 1 is 27. So what we have 8 in downside, and then 7. If we add 50 and 27 together, we will get 77. So it is your answer. And if you want to convert it into mixed fraction, then you can do in this way, because it is an improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. So how to convert? You see 77, if we divide by 8, then what we will get? 5 we have downside. So how to convert? You have already learned in previous chapter that how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fractions. So here we have improper fractions, and we are going to convert it into mixed fractions. So in this way you have to convert. So what is the quotient here? This is the quotient. So quotient will come here. Then after it is the remainder. Remainder will come in upper place, and this one will come here. So it is your final answer. So in this way you have to solve exercise 28. Now exercise 29. In exercise 29 we have to find out the difference only. So first one, you see 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So what to do? Here you see these are like fractions. So 4 will here and For addition, here was plus and we did plus, and here in difference, that means in subtraction we have minus here. So what we will do? We will do minus here only, nothing else. All are same, but at the place of plus we will do minus only. So here we have 4, here we have 8. So if we cut, then we will get 2. So our answer is 2. In this way you have to solve. Actually, if we can cut, then we will cut, and if we cannot cut, then answer will remain same. Let me solve one question from exercise 30. Question number 7. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Okay, so you see, these are not like fractions, so we have to find out the LCM. So 5 and 10 we have. So what to do? By 5 we can divide. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So LCM will be 5 into 1 into 2. So that means 10 we have. So LCM will be 10. So if you divide 10 by 5, what we will get? We will get 2. Then after 4 we have, and here we will do minus. And in our previous exercises for addition, what we did? We did plus, and here we will do minus. So 10, if we divide 10 by 10, we will get 1 into 3 we have. So 10 will be in downside, and 2 4s are 8 minus 3 1 is 3. So what we will get? 10, 8 minus 3, 5. So 5, if we cut, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So what is our answer? 1 by 2. In this way you have to solve. All the questions can be solved in this way. Understand? Another question, here we have 21. Let me show you. 3 minus 2 and 1 by 8. Here you see, it is not a fraction, it is a whole number. So what we can do? We can convert it into a fraction. We can write 1 here. Actually, if nothing is there in downside, we can write 1, because in downside 1, it does not mean anything. So for our own interest, we have written 1. Understand? So what we have now? 3 by 1, you are not need to write, minus, we will convert it. 8 2 is 16, plus 1, 17. So what is the LCM? 1 and 8. LCM will be 8. So if you divide this one by 1, you will get 8 into 3 we have, minus, if you divide, we will get 1 into 17. Then 8 minus 17. Equal to, here you see, 8 sorry, our Jagat Dada was calling me, that is why I went there. So what we have? 8 we have in downside, and if we do minus, what we will get? We will get 24, you see, by 17, what we will get? We will get 7. So here will be 7. So it is your answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve. So I think not need to show any more questions. You can solve very easily. Okay. Exercise 31. All the questions are same. The difference is sometimes we have to do plus and sometimes we have to do minus only. So from exercise 31, if I take a question. First one, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Okay, so here we have to find out the LCM definitely. So how to find out the LCM? 2, 4 and 8 we have. So by 2 we can divide. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Again we can divide by 2. 1, 2. So LCM will be 2 2 are 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 are 8. So what we have? We have 8. Understand? So now we have to divide this one by 2. So we will get 4 into 1 plus, if we divide this one by 4, we will get 2 into 3 minus, if we divide this one by 8, we will get 1 into 5. Understand? So downside we have 8, so 4 1 is 4 plus 6 minus 5. Understand? So then after equal to, we have 8 and then 4 plus 6 equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 8 and we have 5. Here we did plus and here we did minus. Okay, after finding the sum we did subtraction. Understand? In this way you have to solve. So I think not need to show more questions. You have understood very nicely, I hope. And actually you have to practice a lot. So many questions are there, and in the month of September